Hello guys, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Today I will show you something about RSI, the relative strange index. My very nice mid community member here, Puche, he asked me today, Biti, what about RSI on the weekly chart of Bitcoin? Do we have a problem there? Do we see here a convergence or something like this? I will show you that for today. What's about the RSI? So let me show you. Here on Investopia.com you can read about the RSI. What is the RSI? RSI is a momentum indicator. A lot of traders are using it, and you can see it here. It's a little bit complicated how you can calculate this RSI. For the technical detail, I would not go in this technical detail, but what's very important for you to know is that this is a line here. It's drawn here as indicators. You can see it here. We have here this violet line here. That's the RSI, and you can see it here. It's the price region here. One thing is overbought, over 70%. And under this green line, it's oversold under 30%. So you can see if your Bitcoin or something you are trading is under the green line here with the RSI, it's oversold, and that means maybe it could go up because of a lot of people are thinking it's oversold. I'm buying. And if the RSI is over this line here, over the 70%, it's overbought. And a lot of people and traders would think, okay, I would not buy here more because it's very dangerous, it's overbought, and I will sell here. So it's an indicator in which direction it's possible that we see that Bitcoin, Ethereum, or what coin you are always trading, or stocks or what else is going in this thing here. So one thing is very important. I will read about this. The RSI will rise as the number and size of positive closes increase, and it will fall as the numbers and size of losses increase. The second part of the calculation smooths the result, so the RSI will only near 100 or 0 in a strongly trending market. So if the RSI is coming, and this line here is coming, the RSI in the direction 200, 100, you will see it's extreme overbought. Attention, maybe it will go down very fast. And for the other side, if it's going in the direction to 0, you see it oversold. Attention, I will buy because a lot of traders are looking at this. So this is the relative strange index RSI. You can read it here, the formula and how you can calculate it, and so on on Investopia.com. But for now we will check for Puche. What does it mean with the RSI for the weekly chart? Before we start here with this one, I would like to show you the daily CoinMarketCap. Here is the overview about it. Bitcoin daily 47,700 in 24 hours, a minus about 2.3%, a light dump today, and on the 7-day chart here a plus of 9%. Ethereum today only 1.1%, and on the 7-daily chart 5.2%. Cardano ADA today near 5%, in the week 27%. XRP daily minus 3%, on the week 26%. Polkadot on the daily near 5% in plus, and in the weekly 30% in plus. The Binance coin today minus 3%, and on the weekly a plus about 67% extreme. The Litecoin a minus about 4%, 29% in plus in the weekly. Chainlink, Bitcoin Cash, okay. XLM is here. XLM today about 2% in plus, on the weekly about 33% in plus. Dogecoin, look at this weekly, look at this chart. Dogecoin is dumping down here in the weekly about 23% extreme, today 2% in plus. Whoa, what can we take a look about here? Tron TRX in the weekly 41%, today a minus about 3%. And IOTA on the daily about 0.1%, and in the week about a plus 88%. So okay guys, that's for the CoinMarketCap. Now we will take a look about Bitcoin. Here is Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart, and we will start with the weekly, because of Puche asked me about the RSI and the weekly chart of Bitcoin. So let's turn on RSI indicator. You can press on indicator, you can search it here for RSI, and here it is, the relative strange index. And here it is. So what can we see here for the first For the first view, we can see it's extreme overbought. Okay, you see it here on the upper side. Bitcoin broke out here extreme on the weekly chart, the weekly candles, and you can see it's extreme overbought. It was on 39, what? 93. It was on 93. Now it is on 84. Okay, extreme overbought. We can see it here. The interesting thing is what we can see here in the weekly. The RSI is going down from this and Bitcoin is going up and up and up. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Maybe we can see it there better. So you can see Bitcoin on the daily chart is going up and up and up, and the RSI is going down here. Interesting. That's a divergence because here it is going up and here it's going down. Let's take a look on the 4-hour chart. Maybe we will see it here better. You can see it here a lot better. Here is the RSI, and you can see here it's going to the down direction. On what can you see here? To the upper side. Here on this, it's going here. It's going upwards to the up direction. So this is a divergence we have from the RSI with the price of Bitcoin, and that's a bearish sign. Buche, you have, I agree, you have 100%, you are 100% and right here. That's a bearish sign here for Bitcoin because the RSI is going down and Bitcoin is going up. What can we see about the bearish convergence here? Is it here? As I tell you, examples of RSI divergences, you can see it here. Yes, here you can see the RSI is completely near this one. And let's take a look about this. RSI is going up. This is going up. Okay, here is it the same. Limited is here. No, it's not. It's nothing. I would like to show you here on the RSI divergence. Can we take a look about this? You can see it here on the picture. That's very nice here. Trading divergences. Okay. Let's take a look about this. Can we see here something? It's going down and the RSI is going up. Here it is. Take a look at this. Price. The price is going up. The RSI is going down. That's a divergence. And that's a possible point to trade it. If you see that the RSI is going down here and the price is going up, that's a bearish sign for the near future here. A lot of people are trading this. If we with Bitcoin have this problem here because Bitcoin is so bullish momently, it's important to see in the near future. But at this point here, it's very nice to see. On the 4-hour chart, the RSI is here. You can see on 45. 54, 45. I have a real problem with the numbers. And that's okay, that's in the middle of this line. So on the 4-hour chart, it's not on the 70 over the 70%, it's not over the 30%, it's in the middle of this region, and that's okay. It's not overbought, it's not oversold. But if we take a look on the daily, you can see it's here on the 70%, it's overbought. And on the weekly, okay, it's extreme. On the weekly is here extreme overbought. So for me, I would not wonder me if Bitcoin would come down here for the first time because it's so overbought on the weekly. And with the divergence of the 4-hour chart, it's looking bearish for me. If we take a look at this on the hour chart, let's take a look. And here it's bearish too. You can see it. This line is going from here to here, it's going down, but here it's going up. Or slightly sideways, but you see it's going up and not down like this. So yes, we should take a look about this. It's a bearish momentum for the RSI that we can see this divergence. Okay guys, let's go to Bitcoin without this divergence. Let's turn the RSI off. And let's take a look about Bitcoin to the 4-hour chart. What can we see here? You can see here was the triangle. Here was the breakout of this triangle. And we are still in the breakout. Don't forget that we are still in the breakout here of this triangle. We have a price target here about 52,000. That's the price target. We broke it to the upside. And we still have in the 4-hour chart, you can see this rising wedge here. we are still working here in this rising wedge. Everything is fine. It's a little bit like this. So you can see in the last 4 hours or the last 8 hours, Bitcoin spiked down a little bit under this divergence, and it's fighting back again. It's now in this divergence, sorry, in this rising wedge. What would we see about a breakout? You know it. Here is the highest point. Sorry, here is the highest point about this. Here is the lowest point about this. And we can see it here. If we are breaking out to the upside, this is our price target for it, about 55,000. And if it's going to the downside, that's the price target for this, about here, 42,000. That's the range we are working momently. That's the thing. This rising wedge is very important for me for trading. I bought here. If we have spiked on this rising wedge here, I bought. I am here in this trade. I'm waiting. Maybe we can reach this upper line here. I will sell here if we reach it, or if we are breaking it out, I will hold it. I will set a stop loss here. So that's the next thing I am waiting about Bitcoin. Let's take a look at a 15-minute chart. In the 15-minute chart, it looks here. It looks a little bit ugly here because of this big pump here, down under the pump, down under this line, this important rising wedge line. Bitcoin spiked but not confirmed the breakout, so it was absolute unnecessary to short here, because you see it, Bitcoin never confirmed this breakout. It fightened back here, it fightened back until it's bounced from this line. So I hope you're not short. You are not shortened Bitcoin here, because this was a not confirmed breakout here for me. And one thing we can take a look about this is a down-going channel here. It's the red channel. I make it red. And we are acting now in this downtrend channel. So Bitcoin has to break this one here, this line, that it can break out from this, and Bitcoin has to hold this green line here, that I hope it will not break down of this. And yes, I'm in this trade now. You can see here was the buy point for me, automatic buy, and I went in this long trade, and I will set a stop loss. Okay guys, from this point to this point, this is my uptrend channel. About this one, this line, the lowest line here, and here was a very hard point to set a stop loss, but now I am not out of the trade, but I will set a stop loss under these lines here, not these spikes. If you are setting a stop loss, if you're trading these channels like me, always set a stop loss here on the last low. So this was a low, so my stop loss is always here under this low. In this opinion, 47,400. So this spike could not stop me out here. And you can set your stop loss always higher to the next point, So my next stop loss is here under this line, about 47,500. And my next stop loss is here over this line, about 47,600. And so you can set your stop loss and stop loss and stop loss. And if Bitcoin will break down of this channel, you are still with your stop loss in a very nice win here. You can take the win. If Bitcoin will go down from here, it will here go to this direction. I'm out here with my stop loss up this point. So that's the way I'm trading this waves and this nice uptrends here, this little uptrends in a downtrend. You can trade positive in a downtrend too if you are trading this little uptrend in this big downtrend. We are momently big. Okay, 50-minute chart. So it depends always on the chart you are trading here. Okay guys, that's it for the next time. So watch at these levels. This is important. These are the important levels to watch. Let me take a look. I can't find the buy and sell signal. It is here. It is here. It's here. No, it's the call out signal, not the buy and sell. And it's not the call out signal. Damn, Timmy. Biti, what's going on with you? That's all price level we are searching for. That's all not so correct. So this is a point to watch here. It's an upper trend line about 48,600 or 48,500. If Bitcoin will break this line, perfect. We'll keep in the trade. It's perfect for us. We're making money. If Bitcoin is breaking momently here under this here, that's my stop loss, 47,600. I am out of the trade. This is a big support here we have, about 47,000, 74,000. And this is still our support here for the next time. And this is the upper line of the wedge here. If Bitcoin can go up to this line, perfect, we are in the trade and we have 50,000 here on this side. So guys, that's the thing for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you can follow me. If you have any questions, please feel free, come to my live stream channel, chat with me. It's named Bitcoin Trading Informant on YouTube and on Twitch. I'm always there 24 hours, 7 days a week. Feel free to ask, very nice community there. And I wish you the best of luck, wish you a nice day, make millions, make good trades, and have some fun. Guys, bye bye, greetings, your Biti, your Bitcoin Trading Informant.